Hi guys, this is Roby. Thank you for clicking my video. And today I'll show you some magic tricks. This is called mind-blowing magic, and it's a Marvin's one, so which is available at HAMLEYS toys. So I'll show you a few tricks out of it. I have taken this chain, the real chain, and I'll call someone. अब आइए please. क्या नाम है आपका? Okay, ये चेक करें आपकी चेन रियल है और कैसी रियल चेन है. ये रियल चेन है. अभी मैं इसको लॉक करूँगा. भैया विल लॉक दिस एंड मैं इसको अनलॉक करूँगा. लेट्स सी कैसे होता है. ओके, ये आप लॉक रखिए अपने हाथ में. अब ये मैं इसको करूँ. आप इसको लॉक लगाइए जितना टाइट हो सकता है, जितना टाइट हो सकता है आप खींचिए उसको. That's good. आप श्योर हैं आपने अच्छा टाइट किया है? Okay. हाँ, let's see this. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Absolutely tight. Okay.
Yes.
Now see. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll do that. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. This is the trick.
ये कैसे किया?
Let's trick. Yeah. So if you're liking my videos, so please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Comment below which toys demo you wanna see. I'll make the video on. Okay. So एक और box है मेरे पास. This is the card one. My favorite. I'll call someone else this time. भैया please आया. Yes. क्या नाम है आपका? Hassan. Hassan. So I have got card from this box. Okay. This is the normal one. See this. Each card is different here. Okay. Yes. Now you'll have to say stop when I'll do this one. Okay. Stop. Okay. Take this card out. Don't let me see. Show the key. Show this. See it?
ऑन करो ना.
Keep it back. I'm not saying your card. This is your card. Alright? This is yours. I'm not saying at all. Now, which card is on top? I'll ask you. You'll have to let me know. Which card is on top?
King.
It's king, right?
Yeah.
It's king on top. Show me your hand. Is this? Just cover it. Which card are you having? The king. King. This is your card. I have not seen it. Now just say it. King is with me. Just show the card to camera.
कैसा है?
Wow.
Was this your card?
Yeah, that was my card.
Yeah.
How is this possible?
Yes, this is box trick. If you buy it, you'll get to know. Yes, the last toy which is left, that is this one, the yellow color. Okay, so there are 25 magics again. So I'll show one of it from इनको बुलाता हूँ. भैया please, क्या नाम है आपका? रुपेश. इसमें बहुत सारे ट्रिक्स हैं. मैं एक आपको दिखाऊंगा. तो क्यूब है. क्यूब रहेगा, इसमें सेंसेस बने हुए हैं हमारे. there are 6 senses. 1, 2, 3. आप कोई सा भी सेंस पिक कर लीजिए. फॉर एग्जांपल आई. इसको ऊपर रख के अब इसको क्लोज करके दीजिएगा. ठीक है. आई हैव टू फाइंड और गेस कि ऊपर कौन सा है. मैं आपकी एक्टिविटी नहीं देखूँगा जब आप चूज़ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो स्टार्ट करें. आप इसमें कोई भी सेंस डालें. मेरे सामने नहीं डालना. आप कोई भी एक पिक करें. कैमरे में दिखाइए. ठीक है. ये बॉक्स आपका है. क्लोज है. देखिए. आपका नाम पूरा? रुपेश कुमार. रुपेश जी, इसमें ऐसी चीज़ आपने चूज की है जिसके बिना हम सोच नहीं. वो क्या है? ब्रेन इज ऑन टॉप.
Yeah, right.
To say that, if you like my magic tricks, please turn up to DB Mall, and we are on 2nd floor. Just come here and just buy these toys. It's an amazing, huh? You will like, your kids will enjoy it. Thank you so much.